In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reading list in Notion. A simple Notion tutorial for beginners. If you're new to Notion and looking to organize your reading habits in a more efficient way, then you're in the right place. We'll go through the process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll have your very own reading list set up and ready to use. Let's dive in. Firstly, we're going to open a new page in Notion. This is going to be the foundation for our reading list, so we want to start with a clean slate. To do this, simply navigate to your Notion workspace and click on the New Page button. Once you have your new page opened, let's give it a title. You might want to name it something like My Reading List, or anything else that resonates with your personal style. It's always nice to personalize your workspace, as it can make your habit of recording books you've read more enjoyable. Next, we're going to add a database to this page. Notion allows you to customize your databases, which can take the form of a table or a gallery. Both options are great, but a table is often easier to work with, especially for beginners. To add a database, type to bring up the block menu and select either the table or gallery. The table will give you a straightforward list format, while the gallery will provide a more visual layout with cards. Choose whichever suits your preference. Once you've added your database, it's time to create some columns to organize your reading list. We'll need to add columns for title, author, status, and rating. These columns will help you categorize your books and track your progress. To add a column, click on the plus sign at the top of your table. For title and author, you'll need the text property. This will allow you to type in the name of the book and its author. Status can be set as a select property where you can manage options like to read, reading, or completed. Finally, for the rating column, choose a number property. Here you can rate books after you've read them on a scale, like 1 to 5, to remember how much you enjoyed them. This setup will give you a comprehensive overview of your reading journey. Finally, as you read and discover new books, remember to update your entries. Each time you start a new book or finish one, go back to your Notion database and update the relevant details, whether it's marking a status as completed or adding a new title to the To Read section. This continuous engagement not only keeps your reading list organized, but also encourages a consistent interaction with your reading goals. And there you have it. You've successfully created a reading list in Notion. By following these simple steps, you've set up a practical and efficient way to track your reading habits. Keep your list updated, and you'll have a detailed archive of your reading accomplishments that you can be proud of. Thanks for joining this tutorial, and happy reading.